Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code AI agent which is completely open source and free forever, and it's a great alternative to Claude, Klein or Roo. So this is the extension name. Just write her kilo in the extension KILO code AI agent. So this extension will come. Simply click on the install button to install this extension, and as soon as you install this, on the sidebar section of VS Code this menu will occur. So if you go to this, you will see you just need to create a free account here on their website. You can log in with Google account. So once you log in, basically it will redirect you to the, so it doesn't have any sort of restriction. It also tells you you have added $5 AI credits to your account. So just continue to redirect to VS Code. So now you can actually select all these models here: Claude, Gemini, all this OpenAI, DeepSeek. It gives you $15 free credits, so you can try out all these models right in your VS Code. So just write a question. So you basically make a request, and then it will make the actual token request, and it will generate the request. You basically select which types of thing that you need to do, and it will generate the response accordingly. So basically it is asking questions which kinds of calculator that it wants to generate, and based upon your answer it will generate the code for you. So now you can see it is generating this. So you can also visit their website, kilocode.ai. This is their website, and you can read more about it. It's a great alternative AI coded agent for VS Code. And the nice thing is that it's completely open source and it's available on GitHub. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.